Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khalid Masood Kareem. In this weekly video tutorial, I will share technical aspects and techniques of top volume leaders of the Karachi Stock Exchange. It is not a recommendation to buy or sell. The Karachi Stock Exchange 100 Index closed at 45,931 level on January 15, 2021. The weekly closing is slightly below the projected weekly pivot level of 45,936 level. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 47,089 and 44,000 respectively. Technically, the index may undergo a resting phase. The K Electric closed at 4.19 level on January 15, 2021. The closing is below the weekly pivot level of 4.21. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 5 and 3 respectively. Technically, profit taking was observed at resistance zone. The HUMNL network closed at 6.95 level on January 15, 2021. The closing is below the weekly pivot level of 7.07. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 9 and 5 respectively. Technically, the stock may remain sideways. Technically, this is an interesting stock. The stock showed a price gain of 25% in 1 week time. It remains sideways for the next 3 weeks. The next corrective rally showed a price gain of 25% in 2 week time. After that, it remains sideways for 5 weeks. The recent corrective rally is showing a price gain of 50% in 3 week time. Let's see how much time it will remain sideways, or it will continue its surge. The PIBTL closed at 12.84 level on January 15, 2021. The closing is below the weekly pivot level of 12.86. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 14.77 and 12.37 respectively. Technically, the stock is contained within a triangular pattern. The BYCO closed at 9.84 level on January 15, 2021. The closing is below the weekly pivot level of 10.16. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 11.30 and 8.71 respectively. Technically, it failed to overcome the resistance and closed within the sideways zone. The Power Cement closed at 11.48 level on January 15, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 11.04 level. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 13.44 and 11.02. Technically, the stock may continue its upside drive. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.